So over here you can see that I got some files uploaded in this particular channel. So if I were to go to files right here, then you will be able to see the list of files over here as well. So you can access it over here just like this. So let's say you want to access this file. One way is to view this online, or you can make this a tab as well. So to do that, you can click on the three dot button right here and click on show actions. And then you can click on make this a tab right here. So once you do that, what happens is that it gets converted into a tab. So here you can see that there's the three dot button. Let me just go around over here. And once you do this, you can see that it has been loaded up right here. The newsletter document right here is loading up right here as a tab, as you can see, and it'll be here for other users to access as well. So you can go around and do that with other files over here as well. So the test is already here, as you can see, and you can do this as long as it is supported to be a tab. So over here you can see that this is a folder and therefore you don't have the tab option. But over here on the test, now you can see that you don't have the tab option because it's already a tab right here, just like this. And here you can see that there's this option right here. But you can go around and make it a tab from over here as well on the top, as you can see. So that is how you can make file uploads as tabs inside of channels inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.